Slide Machine app. Now if we choose the app from the dashboard, we're taken here to the Home tab. We can see all the available templates. As we hover over the templates, we're going to get a little preview. And if we click on one, see a full screen preview. You can see how long it's going to be, how many scenes it has. Let's use this one. Let's create. And we're in the editor. You can see we can customize all this text. Text here, text here, text here, and this image. Let's say we want to change the title here. You can see it appearing down here. Change this to 50%. Let's change this image right here. This is our library. We already have an image here. Let's upload a new file. The beach. Choose this one. Now we can crop this if we need it, otherwise it'll automatically resize. Let's choose it. There it is. And then we can proceed to the next slide. Scene 2. Image and text. Scene 3. Scene 4. Put the beach on there again. Let's throw our logo in. Our brand. We're all done. We can proceed to the next step. Now we're choosing our music. This is the default track. We can change this to any of these. Try it out. And if we like it, hit the button. Now it's our new music. Go to the next step. And we're ready to render. We're taken to the Projects tab. Here's that new project. Here's some previous ones. If we click on one, you can see it play back. We can also download it, save it to our computer. We can delete it. We can also edit it if we need to make slight adjustments. Thanks for watching.